Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you a simple, very easy recipe on how to make beautiful lip scrub. Now, the season is tearing our lips apart and we want that supple, beautiful lips. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful scrub. Hey fellas gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sele Kalio, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. And a Merry Christmas to every one of you. Thank you so much for staying tuned to this channel. I wish you all the joy and all the laughter and all the blessings that comes with the Christmas season. Now for this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a simple lip scrub that will help exfoliate your lip and keep it soft and supple. Now for this recipe, we're going to be using sugar, we're going to be using oils, butters, just things that will help hydrate your skin or hydrate your lips. Now there are different ways that you can do this. You can do this any way you want. You can use sugar scrub, you can use sugar and honey. You can use, there's so many different ways, but today I decided to use butters to make this recipe. So if you like to see how I came up with this very quick and easy lip scrub, then you definitely want to watch this video till the end. Okay, so I went ahead to melt my butters. So you can use any butter that you want, you can use any oils that you want. I like to use butters because they have more hydrating properties, like mango butter, shea butter. I decided to use butters, but you can go ahead to use any kind of oil or any kind of emollient that you prefer. Go ahead, melt that, mix everything together. Sugar is very rich in antioxidants that prevent lips from getting damaged from the sun, and sugar also contains glycolic acid that conditions the lips and prevents it from environmental toxins. Now you can go ahead to add honey in your formulation, in your sugar scrub, because the enzymes that are present in honey can help to lighten the color of the lips, which will also result in the pink lip effect that a lot of us are looking for. But in this video, I didn't show where I added honey, but you can go ahead to add honey into your formulation. Now here I made a pink lip balm or pink lip cream earlier, and I'm just using the same bowl that has the pink lip cream thingy in it, just to create a very nice pink color for the lip scrub. Now if you want this, you can also go ahead to add any food coloring into your pink lip scrub or your lip scrub to give it that pink color or whatever color that you would desire. But for this, instead of letting this go to waste, I decided to just use that to create a very nice pinky color to the scrub. So a lot of you have been messaging me that you are finding it difficult to join the Patreon subscriptions. I don't know why that is being that way. I'm still trying to figure out what is going on, but for now you can use the WhatsApp link down below to join the WhatsApp group to get all the informations about the trainings and everything that you need to know about our upcoming training. Now the training is for 5 days and it's going to be on the 25th. It's going to start on the 25th. So if you're interested, you can join the WhatsApp group to get information on the trainings and the updates on whether the Patreon account is working or not. So just use the link in the description to join that training if you are interested and you would want to better your formulations. There are going to be videos, lots and lots of videos, and I'm always going to be here to help you grow. I'm also going to sort out the Patreon account so that you guys can get all the other benefits that is due to you on the subscription that you have paid for. This recipe is super easy, super simple. You have every ingredient that you need around your house. You can just grab some sugar and you can make your own lip scrub. Now you can do it in any way that you want. You can add mint, you can add honey, you can add oils, you can add anything that you want, peppermint. You can add so many things into your scrub to get the result that you want. Now this is what our lip scrub looks like. It's really beautiful, and I'm just going to save them in this beautiful see-through container, just so the color will peep through and give us that vibrant, beautiful pink hue that I'm looking for. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I put up a new video. Hit the thumbs up button to help YouTube put me on the algorithm. And make sure you leave me your beautiful comments in the comment section down below. I love to hear from you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.